And today I'd like to share with you, well, of course, most of us carry cell phone. Aba, mag-ingat kayo ha. May mga research daw na yung cellphone, kung saan yan malapit, baka yun doon may radiation, doon nakaka-cancer. Nagtanggalan na ng mga sa bulsa. Anyway, by the way, itong cellphone, minsan ito nagiging parang, ito ng tanging yaman ng ibang tao. Ito lang palagi. Tanging yaman. Well, cellphone is good for communication. Good. Pero ang nangyayari, cellphone is seclusion. Ako lang, wala akong pakialam sa... Nasa dining room ka na, kung ano pang... You know, you are not there. You're not here. So please don't let that happen, that your cellphone makes you secluded. When you are where you are, stay there where you are. Alam po yun,